Manchester United have been told Harry Kane will cost them £100 million up front this summer should they wish to pursue the statement signing of Tottenham's talisman. Manchester United have reportedly been told Harry Kane will cost them £100 million up front this summer should they wish to engage in business with Tottenham chairman Daniel Levy, and if the England captain is their priority target of interest, the Red Devils could be about to kill two birds with one stone. Erik ten Hag is desperate to land a marquee centre-forward at the end of the season, and there are several standout options in play as the Old Trafford hierarchy prepare to reach for the chequebook. Anthony Martial is expected to be sold while Wout Weghorst's future remains up for debate. Yet regardless of whether either stay put, United are seemingly prepared to break the bank to add another superstar signing to their ranks. United also hold an interest in Victor Osimhen and Benfica's Gonçalo Ramos, but both would represent an element of risk given they are not tried and tested in the Premier League. Kane, who is believed to be open to the prospect of a new challenge, would represent a guaranteed output of goals and a wealth of experience as he continues to hunt down Alan Shearer's all-time Premier League goal-scoring record. But it's not just goals that Kane would bring to the table. Having now led England at 3 major tournaments as captain, he would immediately become a standout pick for the United captaincy, which is likely to be up for grabs this summer. With Harry Maguire's future at the club in doubt, Ten Hag is likely to assign a new skipper, with Bruno Fernandes currently perceived as the frontrunner for the armband, having worn it on numerous occasions this season. However, Kane has already showcased that he is a man willing to lead by example, having carried the torch as England's MVP throughout the Gareth Southgate era. Maguire was handed the United captaincy by Ole Gunnar Solskjaer just a matter of months into his Old Trafford career following Ashley Young's January switch to Inter Milan in 2020, meaning the club have recent history with assigning new additions with the armband. Some would perhaps question whether Kane would warrant the captaincy upon arrival at Old Trafford, but his record and career speaks for itself. He would solely be moving to United to win trophies, and his hunger could prove to be a major asset as Ten Hag seeks to drive his side to new heights.